गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज केमिस्ट्री विद डीएनए में हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं। इस टॉपिक का नाम है आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड। आयन इलेक्ट्रॉन मेथड इज़ बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन द number of electron lost and number of electron gained. So let's discuss this topic, ion electron method. Ion electron method. Ion electron method is basically one of the most important method to balance any chemical equation. Suppose there is equation, we can say it is used to balance some important equation containing charged species. So it is very important. Suppose there is one equation, suppose there is equation MnO4 minus 1 plus sulfur dioxide goes to form Mn plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. This is equation in which you can see different charge, minus 1 on MnO4 and plus 2 on manganese and minus 2 on sulfate. So how to balance this equation? Let's have some basic rules for this equation. Basically, there are 6 basic rules to balance this equation. Rules to balance these equations. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Rule number 1 says split the equation. Rule number 2 says balance atoms. Rule number 3, balance oxygen. Rule number 4, balance hydrogen. Rule number 5, balance charge. And the last one is strike out depletion. These are the 6 important rules to balance any equation from ion electron method. So let's discuss some more example. Suppose the very first example is MnO4 minus 1 plus sulfur dioxide goes to form SO4 minus 2 and Mn plus 2. So this is the simplest form of any equation. Now you can see there is minus 1 charge, minus 2 charge, plus 2 charge. So this is ion electron method. So we are going to discuss to balance how to balance this equation by ion electron method. The first step, write MnO4 in front of Mn plus 2 and SO4 in front of SO2. Suppose MnO4 minus 1 goes to form Mn plus 2. The second step, write SO2 in front of SO4. SO2 and SO4 minus 2. So this is the first rule. Split the equation into 2 equal half. So that's why this equation is also, this method is also called half cell reaction. Now students, there is some important rules. The second important rule is for this is balance atom. Now see, you can see manganese is 1, here also manganese is 1. So you need not to balance number of manganese atom on either side. But for balancing oxygen, you have to add water on the opposite direction. Suppose oxygen are 4 and here no oxygen is present, so we can add 4 water molecule on the right side of the equation to balance oxygen. Now see, here oxygen is 4, here oxygen is also 4. By putting water on the right side to balance oxygen, there is also hydrogen always added in the shape of H2 molecule. Now see how many hydrogen molecules are added. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Now on the left side there is no hydrogen molecule, so we can add these 8 hydrogen on the left side in shape of hydrogen ion. Now see, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So we can say there are 8 molecules on the left side. Now hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is balanced, atom is balanced. The same process will be applied on the lower part of this equation as well. Now see, there oxygen is 2, here oxygen is 4. To balance oxygen, we add water molecule on the left side. How many oxygens are less? Here 4, here 2, we will add 2 water molecule. By